here we are at Secret's Wild Orchid in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is an ocean view junior suite. This is the bathroom. Nice soaking tub. Two beautiful sinks. Complimentary shampoo, hand sanitizer, toothpaste, anything you could want. This is the toilet area, which is private from the walk-in shower area. Beautiful shower, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Over here is the privacy box where if you order any sort of room service, they put it in there, and then you can put your dishes in there when you're done, your dirty dishes. Here is a nice walk-in closet. Not walk-in closet, but kind of walk-in closet. You have a hair dryer and amazing, a steamer, which I brought one. So you have a safe for your belongings. Some nice drawers. Over here, you have a full-length mirror, which is always nice to have. This is king-size bed. Beautiful TV area. Lots of drawer space. Coffee station. And complimentary beverages in your refrigerator. Glasses, a nice desk area, sitting area, little complimentary snacks for our anniversary, and this is the view, amazing view from the balcony. Beautiful, beautiful room and a beautiful, beautiful view. This is the pool area. This is an amazing view. We are on the 5th floor, and this is room 2527, which is a nice location. Very nice. So A Premier Travel thanks you for viewing our beautiful room at Secret's Wild Orchid.